morning. We're gonna start by taking attendance to get the class started. So Ivan?
Here.
Okay, we're gonna get started with a little bit of review. So we're gonna start by counting by fives from 5 to 30. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's it. High five. Good job. We are going to start with a read aloud to the child. So we're going to start. This is Simon, a knight from the Middle Ages. One of his jobs is to visit different castles, climb the castle tower, and take down flags so they can be repaired. Let's follow Simon and do some subtraction problems. On Monday, he visited a castle with the number of flags shown below. He took down 3 flags. Create a subtraction problem and answer that explains the story. So start by counting all the red flags. Use your hands. So we're gonna start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So you're gonna write a 6 there. And then what number did they say they were gonna take down? He's gonna take down
3.
Okay, so now we gotta do 6 minus 3. So ready? We're gonna take away 3. 1, 2, 3. What are we left with? 3. Okay, we're gonna go to the next problem. On Tuesday, he visited a castle with the number of flags shown above. He took down 5 flags. Create a subtraction problem and answer that explains the story. Ooh, we gotta find all of them. Ready? 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8. Right? Yes, 8. There's 1. So you're gonna put an 8 right there. And then how many flags is he taking down?
5.
What does that equal? Let's use your finger. You wanna use your fingers? Okay, so put up 8 fingers.
8 take away 5 is 3.
Good job. Okay. That is it. This was the first page that we did. Had little castles and knights. The next portion will be to be reviewed. So we are gonna start by writing the number
3.
of flags that is shown in each castle. And we're gonna write out the word. So how many flags are there? 3.
3.
So what makes that sound? You got it.
No.
Yes, you do. Don't say no. You got it. So, E. Does that sound like an F? No. How about a TH? The sound a TH makes. Okay, put the TH.
R.
E. Do you think we need another one or is it just 1? Does that look right? So we need 1 more E. And that's how you spell 3. Okay, how many flags is on this one?
1.
Do you know how to spell 1? Ooh. Try again. Okay, 1. But it sounds like a W, right? So do you know that there's multiple kinds of 1? So you I won a game. That one starts with a W. But the number 1 is different, but it sounds like that, right? Okay, so let's see. Let's see if it was, so how about I get you the starting letter? Okay, it's an O. What does that make? And E. 1 E. 1. 1 doesn't sound like it needs an E at the end, does it? So when you spell I won a game, it's WON. But the number 1 is spelled like that.
Oh, it sounds like an accent. 1 sounds like it needs an N at the back.
It does, right? You don't hear the E. Okay, how about this?
2.
Okay, there's 3 different kinds of 2s now. Do you know that? Ooh. But you can be like, I want to go to. That's TO. But how about I go there too? That's TOO. But the number 2 is spelled different. But it sounds like 2.
Does it start with the...
It starts with a T. That's a good job. That's a good start. Okay, 2. Let's see. Remember, what other letters are there? What other letter do you think is going to be in it?
E.
2. T, oo.
U.
Almost. That's what it sounds like. It's okay. So let's see. Let's see how we can figure this out. 2. T, oo. It sounds like it should be a U, but none of them have a U. So they all have one thing in common. Well, 2 things in common. They all have a T and an O. Okay? But this one, the number 2 has a W in it. So it's TWO. That's confusing, right? Oh. Okay. So let's see. So how do we spell 3 now?
THREE.
How about 1?
ONE.
And then 2?
TWO.
Look, it's right here. Good job. Okay, we're gonna do one more assignment. Next, we are gonna work on counting cents. So, Ivan, how much is a dime worth?
10.
10
cents.
10 cents. How much is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
And a penny? This is a penny.
1 cent.
Okay, so the first one is a dime plus a nickel. So how many would that be?
Dime plus.
A nickel. So we're starting off with 10 cents, right? Add a 5. I don't have enough fingers. So we have 10.
17.
No, almost. Try again. 10. Look, put your hand up. 11.
12, 13, 14, 15.
15. See how it's easier when you have something to like show of it instead of just doing it in your head? So write a 15 there. Don't forget the cent sign. What's the cent sign look like? Can you explain it? What a cent sign looks like?
It's a C with the line through it.
What's that? Do you know what a dollar sign looks like?
No.
That's an S with the line through it.
Uh,
Okay, so now we're gonna have a dime plus a penny. What is that? Good job, you remember the cent sign. So now we have 2 dimes. So now it's 10 plus 10. So let's look. So we put it on top. So what's 0 plus 0?
Nothing.
So 0. So put a 0. What's 1 plus 1?
2.
See how it's easier when we split it
20.
up? 20 cents. So where's the cent sign? Okay, one more. Nickel plus a penny. So it's 5 plus 1. 6 cents. Good job. Thank you so much for joining in our class. Thank you.
Thank you.